Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw grapes. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's start with the stem. Now let's draw the grapes. Okay, now let's draw the leaf. Using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.